Today, the ongoing debate over who is allowed to enter and live in the United States reaching new intensity. A D.C. federal judge taking the highly unusual step of stopping a deportation in progress, ordering a plane bound for El Salvador to turn around, bringing a mother and daughter back to the U.S.
And this was a horrible situation. I can't even imagine the fear they were feeling when they were put on that plane.
The two, part of a class action lawsuit against the government after the Trump administration said those fleeing gangs or domestic violence could no longer claim asylum.
And what we're trying to do in this case is to get a court to look at what they're doing, the way that they're changing the asylum standard, and say, you can't do this.
The judge said if the government does not stop deporting plaintiffs in the case, he would hold Attorney General Jeff Sessions in contempt. Speaking in Texas today, Sessions praising ICE agents for fighting illegal immigration.
We support them. We're on their side.
But no mention of that court threat, though protesters outside had plenty to say.
What do we want? Sessions out! When do we want it? Now!
This just hours after First Lady Melania Trump's parents became U.S. citizens using the very program their son-in-law wants to end. Chain migration, for months the topic of repeated tweets from President Trump calling for an end to the family-based immigration program. And then there's the issue of reuniting migrant children with their families. The Trump administration gave an update on that and said of the more than 2,500 children separated, nearly 600 are still not back with their parents. Blaine Alexander, NBC News, Washington.